We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I fuck cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you nut. That's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. If only I could pay the bills with my love for you, we'd be the richest in the fucking room. Yeah. We'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'll try what they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. I was wondering if you always know it don't have to be perfect. I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. All mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine, yeah.
Let's get ready together. All right, so I have to run errands, so I don't want my face to be too beat, but 9 times out of 10, it always goes that way. So first we're gonna start off with my hair. I don't think I'm gonna do that on camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, now that the hair is did, let's get the makeup done. So, now that the hair is did, let's get the makeup done. Start off with my lip plumber. Oh, that's a lot.
We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I fuck cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you nut. That's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you light.
It's okay, we gonna warm it up.
Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne.
See? Blends in. Alright guys, so I just finished recording. We gotta clean up real quick. We're gonna clean up, Just finished doing my TikTok. We gonna clean up and then we gonna chat. I'm gonna let y'all wanna see me clean up. It ain't that messy. Okay.
To be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. So today you guys kind of saw me. I was working out earlier, got some juice earlier, shower, just kind of got myself together, like got my day going. I just finished recording a TikTok which you guys kind of peeped in on behind the scenes. So now I'm actually hungry, waiting on babe to get back from the gym so we can go eat at the restaurant that we went to. Well, I went to yesterday. I tried it out yesterday and I loved it. So it's like a little cafe. It's not like a full, I mean, it is a restaurant, but it's not like, I don't know. You guys will see because we're gonna go there today and eat some food and coffee. So yeah, I'm waiting on babe. I just did my makeup for TikTok. It came out so cute. It's a little bit more matte than I wanted, but it's cool because all of the shine is gonna come back through. Like, it's already on my cheeks already. The shine is gonna come back through throughout the day. It's just kind of settling in. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for babe. I think I want to go ahead and get dressed, or maybe I should wait till he gets here. Yeah, so I'm just chilling. I think until he gets here, I need to start editing yesterday's vlog. So yesterday you guys didn't get day 5 because I'm gonna put 5 and 6 together because yesterday was just kind of a little bit hectic. Not in a bad way, but just a little hectic. I was cleaning up, which you guys will see. So I was really trying to get everything together because my house was all over the place, okay? So with that being said, I think I'm going to sit down and start editing yesterday's vlog and yesterday's vlog, and then get that up with this one later tonight. Or you guys might just get day 5. I'm trying to put 5 and 6 together so we can be back on track. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get to editing. I'm gonna see where he is. Well, actually no, before that I need to call the cruise line because we're taking the kids on a cruise for spring break. So I need to call them and kind of see what's up, because it's a lot of us going. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that really quick, and then we'll meet back up when it's time to edit and then head out to the restaurant. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I've said this I don't know how many times now. I keep thinking I'm recording and I'm not. Girl, get it together. All right, so I'm all dressed, ready to go. We are about to head to the restaurant. I'm gonna show you guys the vibe and stuff inside, take you guys with us. Yeah, run a few little errands because I gotta get a few little things, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have on. Glasses, focus on me, is it gonna focus? It's trying to focus, y'all, but I don't think it is. I might have to give it some help. Give it some help. I don't know if it's the light that's not letting it focus. Okay, autofocus. Okay, so the glasses are Amazon. The earrings are, I got these from TJ Maxx, and they are the Harlow. I'll link them, like, down. If I find them, I'll link them, but I find them at TJ Maxx. I found like the Bodega dupes too. Cardigan, TJ Maxx, all black. Let me tilt you guys. All right, so I just have on all black with my platform Uggs and crew socks. So really cozy. I love this little sweater. I gotta see if I can find some more. Like, I love how the print on it is. Print is rather dope. Love the print. Just nice cozy vibes. And then yeah, so we're about to go eat, and I'm taking you guys with us for Vlogmas Day 6. I feel really warm in my face. Maybe not. Let's see. Y'all see the trash? I need to go out. The boys need to get here. Yeah, I'm good. So yeah, we're about to go. I'm about to grab my bag, and we about to roll up out of here. So I will see you guys in the car, because I think I'm driving because baby's tired. All right, so we're at the, why am I so close? Jeez. All right, so we're at the gas station, of course. Like a true wife indeed, I need gas, and babe's gonna do it. Let's see if I can get in without him even seeing. So, tell me you're a husband without telling me you're a husband. Wife sitting in the car. Wife sitting in the car because I need gas. I always need gas. But to be fair, he drove my car to the gym. So I had a little bit of gas before he drove my car to the gym. So, yeah. So I love my little look today. Y'all know I'm a hoop girl, so these itty bitties is like, I'm either hoop or stud. It's like no in between, and today I'm in between. So for that, I feel, you know, she's growing up. She's growing up. I gotta find a new tripod. Oh Jesus, I gotta find a new tripod because I forgot this had a flash, because this one doesn't extend, and then my one that extends, it like keeps sliding up and down. So yeah, I feel like I'm very close to you guys right now, which I kind of am. And then I forgot that this, I was taking pictures earlier, trying to get a picture for the vlog, and I forgot that I had a flash on this camera. Don't ask me how I forgot, but I definitely forgot until just now. Because I was like, why does it keep saying flash? In my head, I'm like, okay, there's no flash on this. Why does it keep saying flash? And there's definitely a flash on this camera. Silly girl, silly girl, silly girl, silly girl. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to get to this place. Oh, he's ready. Thanks, babe. He gonna be like, watch. Thanks, babe.
We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I fuck cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you nut. It's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane?
Alright, so just finished eating. It was so good. They didn't have the coffee donut that I wanted, but I did get like a little puff donut thing. Wasn't as good as the coffee thing, but still good. So we're about to head to TJ Maxx commercials to, I guess, start Christmas shopping or look for some Christmas stuff. So yeah, the ambiance in here, I like all of the options. I feel like they could have made the place a little more, I don't know. Well, I guess everything doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing, but they could have made the place a little bit more cozy to sit. Nonetheless, got coffee. So we're about to head to TJ Maxx, and I will see you guys in a video. Because they definitely gonna try to copyright off of Mariah Carey. She with all her coins and
Baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be.
Alright guys, we are back home from that little place. I low-key, let me show you guys what I got. I got this little panini, looks like a little pizza sandwich in the place. And the boys got like a little cinnamon twist. And I got my little crab. These are like crab, not croquettes, but like some type of crab coleslaw vibe-ish. And then just like a powdered donut. So I feel like the stuff that I got yesterday was way better. Well, the coffee cake donut was way better. So yeah, but the place is still really good. I need to edit. Oh, I got an Amazon package. Hold on. So I brought something, these vitamins from Amazon. I can open it. I don't have no nails. I'll be back with nails on tomorrow. I bought these pills. They are the chlorella pills. This is what they look like. So chlorella is a green single-celled microalgae that has naturally occurring chlorophyll plus beta-carotene mixed with carotenoids, vitamin C, iron, and protein. The cell wall in this high-quality chlorella has been broken down mechanically and to aid digestibility. You can see the light. All right, guys. So I just hopped on here to say good night. You guys are not going to see me for the rest of the night because I'm going to be editing the videos. So I don't know if today's vlog is going to be up in time. If not, you'll see it tomorrow morning. I'm about to make me some coffee and edit the videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 7.